In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Amazon affiliate links. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to type in something that we want. I'm going to type in headphones, hit enter, and a list of headphones come out. Then we want to pick one. I'm going to go with this one, and then you're going to click Get Link. Scroll down. You go to text only, and as you can see, there's HTML, standard link, and short link. You could choose any one of these. I'm going to go with short link, so I'm going to copy that. And that is how you make an Amazon affiliate link.
Hey guys, welcome. Follow us at Dog Potty Training Secret on Instagram for amazing content and tips and tricks on how to potty train your puppy anywhere, anytime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Hit the bell button for the notifications. And thank you so much for watching.